we're leaving our house for the last time, I think, because we won't be able to come down here anymore. So we can get out actually, because the road's filled up a bit since we've been here.
Oh, it's come up. It's come up more there.
Yeah, look at it. Has, hasn't it?
Yeah.
There's a boat ramp. Hey,
Let me.
boat ramp. So that's come up, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Hey,
Hang on, let me take a photo.
this is Paisley side, not Blanchetown side. So as you can see, if they want to work on Lock 1 from this side now, they can't, because they can't get through. That's all free camping, it's all gone. Hey. A lot of water there, look at the ducks.
Where's the ducks?
Beyond, should we see them? The whole family there somewhere. That's all free camping gone. That's our house up there. We call that our house, the house on the prairie.
No, dream home.
And then within a day and a half, our backyard filled up with water. But just where that tin shed is there, that was what, 3 metres deep?
In 23 hours.
Probably 2 or 3 metres deep just by that shed.
Yeah.
And the whole 1 acre, there's about 1 acre there, is all full of water. Because there was a dip in the road, which we'll show you when we leave. So our backyard's full of water. Next door neighbours' backwaters are all full. All the power's been turned off. And this is all free camping across the road here, that's all gone. That would be about, what, a metre of water there? Metre, at least? Hey, at least a metre.
Yeah.
That's all free
half
camping
a
gone.
metre.
Now, we've got to try and get through this water. That's where the water got into our backyard.
It's definitely come up more.
Huh?
It's definitely come up more.
So, hopefully, all fingers crossed, we get out okay.
Yeah, it's definitely, look at it. Oh, crap. Quicker.
I'm not going to stop. Oh, that was easy. Hey. About a foot deep. Whoa. Uh-oh. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
That started getting a bit slippery.
Yeah.
And this is all free camping, which is gone now. All up to the road. I didn't think I was going to get out that last bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Brakes are squealing.
Yeah, all free camping's gone. That's about 600 mils from the top of the road now. Hey.
Yeah.
So another 600 mils is going to come over the road into all these caravans and the caravan park and whatever. Hey. So this is all free camping along here, that's all gone.
Can you make that come in or not?
No.
Right. So this is the free camping.
So that's what they're dreading, is this water coming over the road. They actually built this road, believe it or not, as a levee. Because many years ago it got flooded out, so they built this road to stop the water. But the funny thing is, they got backwaters which fills up from the back, so what's the point of having a levee at the front?
I don't know.
How you going?
Sad. Where are you?
That one there, where the car is.
We're Rosie, across from Rosie.
Sorry?
Across from Rosie.
No, the one that lost a dog.
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
Where's that's Steve?
Oh,
Okay.
you're Steve. Oh, well, where is your place?
Just
We're the first house past the bridge here.
there is stone. It's not moving.
good? Yeah. We're going home now.
Ask him if he needs help. Ask him if he needs help.
It's getting hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
No?
Oh, let me take a photo. Hang on, let me take a photo.
So we're just leaving the caravan park, and as you can see,
Is
the
it
water's
on?
right up to the road. It's only got about 600 mils to go, and then it'll be over the road. No, car park's full.
Oh shit, I should have taken that, shouldn't I?
Oh, look at that. No? What's this place called?
Paisley Island.
Paisley Island. No? Beautiful houses in there as well. It's like a strata title sort of setup. You have to have, you can only get in through that gate.
Yeah.
But as you can see,
We were going to buy there, and we're thinking about buying that shed thing there. Well, it wasn't there when we were thinking about it. And Mel said, no, it's the first place to get flooded. Should we go and say thank you to them?
now on Leonie's house, water's coming up. They're like a house on stilts.
See how it's got all the dirt?
Okay.
Oh, the dragon boat's out.